Student, as I am discussing about the while loop, so what we find it that in this particular while loop we have some iterative process. Now how this iterative process is working, first see this one. So in this iterative process what we find it that we do have a particular loop. That means here a program I have given you for finding out the first 10 natural number, that means from 1 to 10. Now what it will going to do, it will going to take out the product of the number as the product of 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into up to 10. Okay, so what we need to take the input. Okay, input from the user. If you need to take the input from the user, then you can take the input from this by using it. If you are not using this one, then you can directly go for by initializing the value. First I will show you how to do with initializing the value. Suppose n equals to 10. Now p equals to 1, I equals to 1. This is the counter has been set. Those two are the counter. This is the one counter. P equals to 1 is one counter. I equals to 1 is one counter. Okay, initialize the value. Now when you are entering the value, that particular value, what I less than equals to n, is the value of I is less than, how it will going to check? So it is find it, what is the value it is taking? 10 is less than I. Yes, I value is y 1, so it is entering p into p equals to p into 1, that means 1 into 1. Okay, so similarly here I is increasing, I equals to 1, I plus 1, that means what is I value? 1 plus 1 is 2. So as it is 2, it again come here, again it will going to check is it is less. Yes, then again it will enter, again third time it will enter, fourth time it will enter. This way the loop will continue till the value is not becoming 10. That means when the I value will become 10 and this is 10, that means this the particular thing what you will going to see it, that you will going to have this particular structure, it will going to run up to 10 times. When it became 11, it is less, no, then it will come out from there, and that the result with what it is storing in p equals to p into I, that value will going to show you here. Now let us run the program and see what the output is coming. See here, the output of the first 10 natural number is this. Now suppose what I said, if you are not giving a natural number, if you want to take the in from the user, okay, so how to do it? Suppose I am removing this, and I am giving the hash sign here. That means I am making the initialize this one inactivate, this one I have making activate. Now let us run the program. It will ask to save. Okay, just a minute there. Now run the program. Okay, enter. Suppose I am entering here 5. Here, enter. Okay, so this is also the way you can do, or you can find it. So this is an user defined and this is an self defined program. That means you are initializing the thing, and when you are initializing it, suppose you can run this one particular thing. Suppose you want to run, you want 20. Okay, product of 20 numbers. So see, this is the product of 20 numbers. So this is what, this is you have initialized it, what will be the value, and here you are not initializing. What you are doing, you are taking it from the user, that what should be the value of it. The user will give the value of n. As the user give the value of n, based on that value you will going to get the product of this particular value. Now what will happen, it will going to run inside this loop. This is the loop in which it will going to run. So what is the loop I have used here? The loop has been used is while loop. So inside the while loop you will going to find it, the thing will going to run, and it will going to show you the product output as you are seeing here. Okay, so this is how the program will going to execute as you are executing the program, and as you are working with the program with using the while loop. So this is a while loop. So iteration we have done with the for loop, iteration we have done if else loop, then if else if loop also we have done. Now we are doing the while loop program. Now next program, based on the while loop.